Hi there, my name is Jimmy Lee, and I would just like to thank you very much for considering me to be a part of your program and for taking the time to review my application. So my first accomplishment was during the Income Tax Accounting 2 class, and it was actually at the time of the 2016 presidential elections. And what the assignment was about was we were assigned a presidential candidate, and we had to do some research on their tax plan and if we thought it would benefit the American people, and we had to do some critiques about it. And so yeah, we had to write a paper about it and do a presentation on it in front of the class. And yeah, and I got an A on that assignment, so that was an extremely proud moment for me. My second accomplishment was during my senior year, my last semester, and it was in the senior seminar class. And what the class was about is it is a business class, but it incorporates all aspects of business, including accounting, finance, marketing. And so there was a capstone paper at the very end in which it's basically like the final project. And what we had to do was we had to pick a publicly traded company, and I actually picked Starbucks Corporation, and I had to do a lot of research on the company, read through their financial statements, their balance sheets, and see what kind of trend they've been going through the last decade, even before then, their history, and kind of make suggestions on how they can move forward as a company to even increase their revenues even more than they've been doing. I mean, Starbucks is a very successful company, but we just kind of had to do some analyzation and see, kind of just make some, just see what they could improve on, and then write about that. And it was about a 25-page paper, and I did very good in that paper, and I finished the class with an A minus. I did a lot of research on Cal State Long Beach and the MS Accountancy program, and some of the things that I found very appealing was that you guys do offer free CPA review materials, so that will actually help me to prepare for the CPA while studying for the classes. And something else that I found very appealing was that your guys' career services does offer up to 1 year of help even after graduation. And I think that's very beneficial, and that's very kind of you guys to offer help with things like job searches and interviews. And the last thing that I found very appealing was the diversity of the school, and I did research, and it is a top 5 most diverse schools in the West. And coming from a minority background, that's very important for me. After I graduate with an MS Accountancy degree, I do plan on taking the CPA exam and becoming a licensed CPA in California. Whether or not I decide to pursue public or private accounting, I do think that a CPA designation is very attractive for potential employers, and it makes it more easier for me to get a job because just having that extra knowledge of taking the CPA exam and studying for the CPA exam, employers will know that I do have the capabilities of handling many more complex issues when it comes to accounting.